In this video, I will show you how to change your appearance on Bitget App. So first of all, open up your Bitget app. And if you aren't started yet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free with a nice welcome bonus. Anyway, let's dive into this video right now by clicking on the profile icon at the top left from our Home tab. And from here, we're going to click on Settings at the top right. And in here, we can change our appearance. So first of all, we can change the theme, we can change the currency and the language, but we can also change the quote color. And by default, it is set to green up and red down. But let's say you want red up and green down, then just select this and then it will be changed. So you can also change the basis. So that means that you can change to a new time zone. And then the calculation for price quotes can change in percentages in spot, margin and futures. Those will all be updated. So go ahead and change it to your preferences. And that is how you can change the appearance on your Bitget app. These are currently the settings that you can change for your appearance. So I hope this video was useful. If so, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.